saw this on Amazon. I figured I wanted to try this out. It'd be good for drying off and blowing off my RC cars. It says 130,000 RPM. It's got a lot of good reviews on Amazon. It's even got a brushless motor. Let's open it up and check it out. Like I said, I got an air compressor in the garage I usually use, but it's kind of a pain in the butt. And this is portable. I can actually take it with me. I can blow the cars off when I'm done, out running around the dirt or whatever else. Instruction manual. Oh wow. Got brushes with it too. A couple little tools. Carry bag. Charging cable. Air blower right here. It's also got 3 attachments too. Have to figure that out. Yeah, let me charge this up and then we'll fire it up, see how well it works. Alright, I got it all charged up. To turn it on, you hold this button right here in the back. Just hold it down. See the lights come on right there, hope you can see it. And then that's your speed. So right now it's on high speed. There's medium speed, there's low speed. And there's a trigger right here, or a little button right there you push. And that's for low speed. Hit it again, now we're on high speed. It's got some pressure. And then you can take that piece off right there. It might be even stronger with that on there. I like that. So what I'm going to do, I'll turn it back off. I replaced the ESC in my Rlaarlo the other day so I can run it on 3S. So I'm going to go out and run it and get it dirty and everything else. And then we'll get this out and we'll dust it off and see how well it works. Then after that I may even wash it and dry it off, see how well that works. But so far this seems pretty impressive. I like this a lot. So I got a battery charger for this right now. So once it's charged, I'll head out. I'll go run it for a little bit to get it dirty. And then we'll check this little air blower out. So y'all hang tight. Alright, let's get this thing dirty. try this thing out. This thing is dirty. All right, I like that a lot. Let's take it back home and I'll wash it, and then we'll blow dry it real quick. All right, I rinsed it all off in the sink. Let's dry it off now. Turn this thing on, there we go. Alright, well, I'm very happy with that. It does get a little warm when we leave it on for a while, and I notice it does slow down a little bit. Then you get off of it, let it cool off for a second, kick it back on, it's back full power again. But I paid like $33 plus tax. It was on sale right now, so depending on when this video comes out, it still may be $33. I think normal price is like $40, but to me it's still worth it. So I definitely recommend this. So if y'all need something, you know, something reliable to blow off your car with for a good cheap price, I think this will do it. Anyway guys, I appreciate y'all watching the video, and y'all be good and take care.